Hello and welcome to today's video. If you're self-employed or a freelancer, then you know how important it is to have your finances on track. This includes having a separate account for your business. Today we'll show you why a business account is essential and what you have to consider when opening one. First things first, what is a business account? A business account is a special current account that helps you to separate your private and business finances clearly. All current account transactions are recorded here. On top of this, it offers you useful additional functions to make your day-to-day business easier, from normal card payments and cash withdrawals to online banking and standing orders. This allows you to maintain an overview in the long term, simplify your accounting, and increase your professionalism when dealing with customers and business partners. By law, not everyone who runs a business has to open a business account. However, depending on the country in which you operate, such an account may be required by law for some types of companies, such as capital companies. But even if you're a freelancer or self-employed, it is advisable to open a business account because the benefits definitely outweigh the disadvantages. With a separate business account, you can keep track of your finances. Private and business matters are separated clearly, so you know exactly how your business is doing. On top of that, accounting and tax returns can be done much more easily, which saves time and nerves. There are also very practical reasons for having a business account. Some banks already exclude the business use of private accounts in the general terms and conditions. Often, you can also deduct the costs of your account from taxes. A business account is not always free. The cost can vary greatly. While some online banks even offer free accounts, traditional banks can charge 3 or even 4 figures per year. Especially if you go for a traditional bank account, you can expect fees depending on how many transfers you want to make and which services are important to you. So compare different offers carefully before you make your decision. You should also check the conditions carefully for supposedly cheaper offers from online banks and FinTechs. Usually only the account management is free. If you want to extend the scope of use, you will often be charged additionally. But how do you find an account that suits you and your business? First, think about the services you don't want to compromise on. Because regardless a branch bank, online bank or FinTech, each option has its advantages and disadvantages. So think carefully how you want to use your account. With branch banks, you have a direct contact person. Many services are available to you, and you have access to a large network of ATMs and branches. However, this also means higher fees. With online banks, you don't have this problem. Many services are already included, opening an account is straightforward, and you have access to new features. However, things get complicated here if you value smooth cash transactions. You're also dependent on functioning technology and have fewer credit options available to you. FinTechs score points with low costs for online transactions. The application is very user-friendly overall. However, you typically lose out on many financing options in return. Cash transactions are complicated and expensive. In addition, a business account with a FinTech is not possible for every type of company. As soon as you know what you value in your account, you should take a closer look at the conditions. How high are the account management fees? Is the credit line sufficient to cover your capital requirements? Do you have a competent contact person who knows what you need and doesn't just want to sell you something? If you rely on cash, you should also make sure that your account provider can offer a suitable network of branches and ATMs. Don't ignore technical compatibility either. Ideally, you should be able to link your account directly to your account software. For the opening itself, you will need a few documents to prove your identity and that of your business. For example, you can submit documents from the trade or tax office. Sometimes the bank also requires an extract from the commercial register. In conclusion, a business account is an integral part of a professional business, as long as you find the right conditions for your needs. Take the time to compare different offers and think carefully about what you want. Then a suitable account will make your self-employment much easier. If you liked this video, we would be very happy to get a like. You can also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any more videos. See you next time!